In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Asana the best way. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently duplicate sections can really save some time and keep your projects well organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Asana website by typing in www.asana.com into your browser. Once there, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Click it to access your dashboard and get started. If you haven't set up an account yet, don't worry. Just click Get Started or Try for free to create one. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Next, locate and open the project where the section you wish to duplicate is located. Projects in Asana are collective spaces where you and your team can track tasks and progress, so be sure you're in the right one. With your project open, the next step is to find the specific section you're looking to duplicate. This involves hovering your cursor over the section title of interest. It's important to right-click over the correct section to ensure no unwanted changes occur in other areas. Now, what you're looking for is the Options menu. This comes in really handy for making tweaks and adjustments within your projects. To access it, look for the three-dot menu, also known as an ellipsis, positioned right next to the section title. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear before you. Here, you'll want to carefully select Duplicate Section. When you click it, an exact copy of your chosen section will appear within the same project. It's just that simple. The duplicated section will inherit the tasks and layout from the original, making it a perfect replica. Finally, with your new section created, it's time to make any necessary adjustments. You might want to rename it to suit its purpose within your project. Just click on the section title and type in the new name. Additionally, you can move tasks around or even add new ones if required to better align with your project goals. This flexibility is what makes Asana so powerful in project management, and there you have it. You successfully duplicated a section in Asana. By following these simple steps, you can easily replicate and modify sections to suit your project needs. This not only boosts your productivity, but also enhances your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other features within Asana to make the most out of your project management experience. Until next time, happy planning.